Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share what are digital products and how you can sell digital products on Shopify store. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what are digital products. A digital product is an intangible asset or content that is sold and distributed online. It can be literally graphical, musical, audiovisual and any other type of content. In short, if you have any product that can be of value to other people and you can email it or download, it can be considered digital. The relevance of such products and the demand for them can vary depending on the location and the direct needs of potential consumers. So digital products come in a wide variety of formats like PDF, MP3, various video formats, plugins, ebook, application, courses, and so on. Let's talk a little bit more on the types of products you can consider selling on your Shopify store. Number 1. Online courses. Today we live in a DIY do-it-yourself culture. If you are an expert in some field and want to share your knowledge with your audience, then an online course is a great option. You create it once and then can sell it an unlimited number of times. You can use your knowledge and talent to help others and provide one-to-one coaching for people with an interest in a particular topic. Number 2. Guide checklist. This is a good option for those who have experience and knowledge in any field and want to share them with others while making money. The goal is to allow the consumer to gain valuable experience and life hacks faster without studying lengthy video courses and reading books. Number 3. Graphic templates mockups. Such materials are highly demanded by web designers and other specialists who work or study remotely. Your customers can buy and use these templates to build websites, create designs, or anything else. The choice is limited only by your imagination. Number 4. Memberships. Selling membership access to exclusive content is a working model for websites that only gives access to subscribed users. As soon as the user buy a subscription or membership, they get access to exclusive content you have prepared for them. You can offer either a permanent membership or a monthly, yearly subscription. Number 5. Printables. When talking about printables to sell, you give a huge number of product options to choose from. You can find loads of printouts on Etsy or other marketplaces, or you can create them yourself from scratch. Examples include templates, stickers, invitations, schedules, planners, illustrations, scrapbooking materials, and more. Number 6. Stock photos and videos. This is a great option for freelance photographers and videographers looking to sell their work online. You can sell your work in bundles or individual pieces. Number 7. Photo and video filters or presets. Many social media users are interested in beautiful one-click photo and video processing. This demand can be satisfied by selling different presets with one-click photos and can be changed with hundreds of presets options for colors, tint, shadow, contrast, and more. This is a great product option to consider, especially if you have the needed skills and professionalism to create such presets yourself. Number 8. Theme templates for different CMS. Creating templates for websites or e-commerce stores is a rather laborious process that requires professional skills. If you have mastered it and are able to create your own templates, then Shopify will help you organize sales. Number 9 is fonts. People love to stand out and impress their audience. Standard fonts are terribly boring and it is hard to use them in any original project. Therefore, there is a high demand for non-standard and expressive fonts, which as a rule are paid for. Number 10. Music and audio. You can sell beats and instrumental music, plugins for music software, stock music, and sound effects. Number 11. Licenses for digital assets. If you are a photographer, designer, or musician, you can license your digital asset so your customer can pay for it and use your asset in their own content or projects. Be sure to secure all your product to protect them from copying. Number 12. Ebooks. The popularity of ebook continues to grow. There were about 538 million ebooks sold in the US in 2018 and the niche is just picking up steam. You can choose any genre. The list of topics is almost endless. Number 13 is podcasts. Podcasts are another product to sell in an electronic store. This is the author's audio recording of speech. Often they are presented in the form of a conversation, possibly in the format of an interview or a monologue on a relevant topic, cinema, fashion, news, sports, humor, and so on. To make your podcast high quality, it is worth paying attention to the sound quality, the topic, and presentation of the information. Since customers are guided by these indicators, you can ask payments individually for the specific item for donation, sponsorship, or by subscription. Number 14, research. Another way to make money is selling statistical data or research result. Of course, this is difficult type of podcast to produce by yourself. However, you can contact research centers and offer cooperation. If you are interested in this idea, start with the area that is most familiar to you and your audience. Also consider what advanced knowledge people are willing to pay for. Number 15, ready meals. This product is suitable for all needs related to nutrition or a health lifestyle. You can sell ready-made menus and product boxes, adding them to fitness items or use them as an additional to other products. Additionally, we would like to mention that before selling almost any of these digital products, you need to create it without having any valuable skills or knowledge. It will be difficult to find worthwhile product that will generate sufficient income in the long term. Now, in the end, we have laid out the whole process of creating a Shopify store, selling digital goods from idea to implementation. So now you know how to sell downloadable files on Shopify. Your choice of which product to sell online will definitely influence the success of your business. The product you choose will shape your entire business, from marketing to shipping and from pricing to product development. So choose wisely. With the help of keyword suggestion tools, you can get a glimpse into how your potential customer would search for your solution and what is commonly searched for around your topic. This insight allows you to validate or disapprove your idea and helps you understand whether there is any interest in the selected digital product. For this, you can use tools like Keyword Planner, Cmerch, and others. For launching your own online store, you need to carefully consider the characteristics of these platforms and choose the one that best suits your business needs. Do you have any ideas? Write them all down. Even smuggling bad ideas in the long run can be useful. Ask yourself these questions to make it easier and faster to decide on a list of suitable niche and products. Number 1, is there anything you can teach your clients? For example, if you are already selling a product, consider whether you can train the customers to use it or help them gain a new level of proficiency. If yes, then you can create online courses and provide customized training services for VIP clients. In this case, your opportunity will directly depend on your product and variety of virtual services you can additionally provide. Number 2, what ideas do you already have? Before searching for new ideas on the internet, think about ideas you have had before. Maybe you have already started with writing a list of resources you can create for your clients, a business plan around expanding your 1:1 work to help many at once.